Hi friends, welcome back to Mangalorean Taste Buds by Asha. Today I'll show you how I make mint and chocolate chip ice cream. Ice cream is a sweetened frozen food typically eaten as a snack or dessert. It may be made from dairy milk or cream and is flavored with sweetener, either sugar or an alternative. This is mint flavored ice cream with chunks of chocolate. Here I have used mint extract, vanilla ice cream and chocolate. I first tried this flavor in Baskin Robbins, so wanted to give it a try at home. Please do try this recipe. If you like this recipe, do give a thumbs up and click the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Let's check out the ingredients. Take a large bowl with ice cubes in it. This is 500 grams of fresh cream. My son wanted to do this all alone and he has butterfingers, so I do not give him glass bowls and all. Whip the cream well for a few minutes till it forms stiff peaks. It takes around 5 to 7 minutes. Do not run the hand beater too long, otherwise the cream will start melting. To this add 1 tin of Milkmaid. This is approximately 375 grams of Milkmaid. Now mix it. At this point of time you do not use the hand blender, but just mix it well with the cream. If you feel the fresh cream is melting, you can keep it in the fridge for some time. Add a teaspoon of vanilla extract or vanilla essence and give it a nice good mix. Now this is the basic vanilla ice cream which you can make and flavor it according to your choice. Here I have taken mint extract, add it as per your preference and taste. I used around 2 teaspoons of it. If you like the minty flavor, you can add more of it and mix it well and gently. Keep tasting it. If you feel you require more, you can add more. I felt a little more was necessary, so added it. If you like it less minty, you can just go with 1 teaspoon. Keep mixing it well. Once this is done, add in the food color. I have used the green food color, and here the color depends like how green you want it. My son wanted it a little on the darker shade. He likes the ice cream which you get it in Baskin Robbins, so tried this at home during the lockdown. You can use chocolate chips over here, but he has used chocolate chunks. Give it a gentle mix and set it for at least 6 to 8 hours. I leave it in the fridge overnight. Cover it well and keep it. Now it is ready. Just scoop out and enjoy your mint and chocolate ice cream. I hope you like this recipe of mine. Do give it a try. I am sure you too will enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to click the bell icon to get notified as and when I upload a new recipe. The list of ingredients is given in the description box below. So my dear friends, hope you have enjoyed this quick and yummy recipe. Stay tuned for more such interesting recipes. Till we meet again, check out my other recipes at Mangalorean Taste Buds by Asha. Bye, see you soon with a new interesting recipe.